yesterday was textbook double distribution. If someone will write a book, or if they already wrote a book about the double distribution, they should use this as example. Very, very nice price action. And not only that, check the order flow.
Coffee with George.
If you decide to get involved in a long here, then you're counter trading the trend. It's not the ideal situation. So you want to keep the longs as scalps with quick take profit one, or even close the entire trade, book take profit one, move the stop loss to entry, and let's see what happens. Maybe this is the bottom. Obviously it wasn't, but that could happen. And keep the shorts running as much as possible. Ride this trend as much as possible. So the move to the value area low, another bounce straight to golden pocket, straight to this daily, and to complete the double distribution day, the time point of control. Check the order flow. Once again, longs were pushing here. So we do have 2.9 million, 5.5 million, almost 4 million positive delta pushing here. Not doing such a good job. Rejection from VWAP, and then we start to see the push, right? Once again, we start to see longs are trying to push the price to the upside, not doing such a good job. Then another rejection. And then look at this. Look at this. We do have 8.5 million volume and 5.9, almost 6 million new longs trying to push the price to the upside. Look at this. Buying imbalances, 1.6, 2.3, 1.4, and the rest, right? You see something like this. The price is not moving. It took like this 6 millions here to push the price from here to here. 0.2%, 6 million. So obviously they are not doing a very, very good job. That means short limit orders absorbing all these long market orders, and they are trapped in the next candle.
Oh, he's trying to escape.
So you see, boom, candle to the upside, price pushing here. From this point in time when the price goes here, so basically in the next candle, all these longs here, that they become trapped longs, and they usually provide the fuel for the move to the opposite direction. And the push to the downside we've got. Again here, price, the longs were trying, 8.6 million, 4 million positive delta, 1.6, 500,000, and so on, 1 million here on top. But check this, they are trapped, boom, and the price pushing to the downside. And that was the story the entire day. Check this candle. So the price push here, this is 18 million volume, and we do have 11 millions new longs opening in this candle. Look at this, 1.9, 1.1, 1.8, 1.8, 2.5, 2.9. Those are big numbers. And look what happened. Trying to push the price to the upside, and in the next candle they are trapped. Boom, boom, trapped traders. And that was the story the entire day. Also, let's get back to this one. Once again, 14 million, 9.1 million positive delta. So we do have, look at this candle, 9 million trying to push the price to the upside. 1 million, 1.5 million, 2.2, 3.5, 1.6, 1.8. What happens? Let's try some more. I mean, if we tried with 40 million and at least 9 million new longs here, let's try just a bit higher. Let's try to push the price to the upside. 5 million, 3.2 positive delta, 600k, almost 1 million, 1.1 million, almost 800k. Guess what happens? Boom. This is instantly absorbed by short limit orders, and then this, another push to the downside. So not only that we do have that bearish setup, but also the order flow. I mean, look at this. All these longs trapped instantly. More longs instantly trapped. More longs instantly trapped. More longs instantly trapped. So when you see something like this, definitely, and you do understand the basic, because this is not something very, very complicated. I think it's a bit of TPO and a bit of order flow, and you should understand that the longs are not doing such a good job.
You had one job. Just the one.
If you put everything on top with the order flow, it should be clear for everyone that more downside is possible. I'm sitting here when I talk about this, and I wonder, these guys, right? These guys that they do have this kind of money, right? 6 million here, right? Great. And again, these guys that they do have 11 million here and another 3 million here. And these guys, they have 10 million to put at markets and 3 million at market. Wouldn't it be easier for them just to join Safehouse? Instead of losing all this money, I mean, look at these numbers. 9 million here, 11 million here, 3.9 million here, 6 million here. Instead of losing all this money, because this is just terrible trading. They can pay a subscription, they get this information in real time. I think that would be cheaper rather than to lose, who knows how much they lost in a day like this. Usually the trending days are the one that you get the big losses in a trending day like this. Still think it's a good thing to join Safehouse instead of losing a couple of millions. That's yesterday. And then to recap this, price stays in here, more upside is possible. Then we get back to this section of the chart, lose this daily, then it's party time for the bears, and I would target point of control, but I would like lower. I would like this daily, it is still an untapped daily, and this entire area between the daily and this is the area that we do have liquidity, and this is the area the bulls need to defend. Because
elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.